If you've been searching for experience-based The Farmer's Dog reviews, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about The Farmer's Dog fresh dog food, from the quality of ingredients to the convenience of service, and of course, whether your pup is likely to enjoy it or not. As a team, we've tested this food ourselves, and yes, humans have tasted it too. So you'll get the full scoop on what makes this dog food stand out. In today's review, we're breaking down The Farmer's Dog into 5 key areas. Number 1, ingredient quality and nutrition. 2, taste. And yes, we'll share our team's experience. 3, convenience and ease of use. 4, shipping speed and packaging. And number 5, cost and overall value. Make sure to stick around until the end, where I'll share our final thoughts on whether The Farmer's Dog is truly worth the investment for you and your furry friend. Before we dive in, if you're already considering The Farmer's Dog, be sure to check out the link in the description to save on your first box. It's a great way to try it out without breaking the bank, and it'll also help support my channel at no additional cost to you. Let's dive in, starting with number 1, ingredient quality and nutrition. When it comes to fresh dog food, quality is king. The Farmer's Dog prides itself on using human-grade ingredients that are sourced and prepared in USDA-inspected facilities. So what does this mean for your dog? High-quality proteins like beef, pork, and turkey, paired with whole veggies that are easily recognizable. Think carrots, broccoli, sweet potatoes. From a nutritional standpoint, The Farmer's Dog formulas are crafted by veterinary nutritionists, and they meet AAFCO standards, so you can be confident that your dog is getting a balanced meal. Each recipe also includes a nutrient blend that ensures your dog is getting essential vitamins and minerals. Our team was genuinely impressed with the appearance and freshness of the food. The ingredients were vibrant, and nothing about it looked like typical dog food. Now let's talk about taste. While we didn't have our dogs test the food, because they can't exactly give a review after all, our team members did something a little bit unconventional. They tasted it themselves. Here's what they found out. The beef recipe was a standout with rich flavors and a satisfying texture. The turkey was a little bit milder, but still tasty, and the pork fell somewhere in between. All 3 recipes had a fresh, home-cooked feel, and it's safe to say that if your dog enjoys flavorful meals, they're in for a treat. But what about the dogs? Well, since they can't talk, they'll have to try it for themselves. Given the fresh ingredients and balanced flavors, it's likely that even picky eaters will enjoy The Farmer's Dog. Many dog owners switch to fresh food because their pups have a sensitive stomach or they're picky, and this food is designed to cater to all those needs. Number 3, convenience and ease of use. One of the biggest draws of The Farmer's Dog is its convenience. When you sign up, you'll fill out a questionnaire about your dog's breed, age, activity level, and more. And this helps tailor the portion sizes to your dog's specific needs. The food arrives pre-portioned, so there's no guesswork when it comes to feeding time. Just thaw, serve, and store the leftovers for the next meal. Our team found the online subscription management to be pretty straightforward. You can easily pause, cancel, or reactivate your subscription with just a few clicks. It's a relief knowing that you have control over your deliveries without jumping through a bunch of hoops. Another aspect of convenience is the transition process. Switching your dog to a new diet can sometimes be tricky, especially if they have a sensitive stomach. The Farmer's Dog provides a detailed feeding guide to help ease your dog into their new meals. Our team appreciated this thoughtful touch, as it shows the company's commitment to just making the transition as smooth as possible for both the dog and the owner. Number 4, shipping speed and packaging. When it comes to fresh dog food, timely delivery and proper packaging are crucial. The Farmer's Dog ships quickly. Our team received their order within 2 business days. The food arrives in insulated packaging with dry ice, ensuring that it stays frozen until you're ready to unpack it. And inside, you'll find the food packets along with reusable insulated bag and a storage container for open packages. Overall, the packaging was effective in keeping everything fresh. Number 5, cost and overall value. Finally, let's talk about cost. Fresh dog food is a premium product, and The Farmer's Dog is priced accordingly. On average, it costs about $7 per pound, which puts it on the higher end compared to other brands like Ollie and Pet Plate. However, when you consider the quality of ingredients, the convenience, and the peace of mind that comes with knowing exactly what's in your dog's food, many owners find it worth the investment. Plus, with the discount for your first order using our link, it's a great opportunity to see if The Farmer's Dog is the right fit for your pup without committing fully up front. An additional topic that's important to mention is customer support and community engagement. The Farmer's Dog has a reputation for responsive customer service. Whether you need help managing your subscription or you have questions about your dog's diet, their support team is known for being helpful and friendly. Moreover, the Farmer's Dog has built a strong community of pet owners who share their experiences and their tips. Being part of this community can be a really great resource for first-time buyers who want to ensure that they're making the best choices for their dogs. The brand's social media presence is also really active, providing regular updates, tips, and even some fun content to keep dog owners engaged. One more important consideration for any pet food brand is safety. The Farmer's Dog has a solid track record with no major recalls, which speaks to their commitment to quality and safety. Their use of human-grade ingredients and USDA-inspected facilities adds an extra layer of assurance. And knowing that the food you're feeding your dog meets strict safety standards is crucial, especially in today's world where recalls are not uncommon. This is another reason why many pet owners are willing to pay a premium for the Farmer's Dog. So, is the Farmer's Dog worth it? Well, based on our team's experience, it's a resounding yes. The food is fresh, nutritionally balanced, and convenient to use. And while it's on the pricier side, the quality and ease of service make it a worthwhile investment for dog owners who want the best for their pets. So if you're ready to give it a try, don't forget to use the link in our description to save on your first box. And if you found this review helpful, check out our other videos on fresh dog food options. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.